Hi everyone, so that will be a very quick video about the Cartier service pack. There is also another video on my channel about the Van Cleef & Arpels service pack, as I bought two necklaces, one from VC and one from Cartier, and for both I would like to extend the chain. So the Cartier is maximum 5 centimeters, and that's what I would requested contacting the customer service. So customer service once agreed to it, they're gonna send you a service pack. So service pack is coming in with this envelope, just like standard envelope, and what you can find inside. There'll be another white envelope, and on this in this one envelope you're gonna find the information how to book a courier. You're gonna get all information how to pack and assemble the box and all those stuff what you have to include in your parcel. And you'll also get a service request form as follows, with all your details, creation details, and what actually you request. You have to sign it and attach to the parcel. Then you're gonna have this white carton box, and I already unpacked it as it was like very loud clear envelope inside. So inside this carton box you're gonna find this like no-name box and this kit. So literally that's Cartier box but with no name engraved on it, just a normal box, pillow, copper, and something like this. And you have to do the DIY by yourself. So hop, put it in here. Okay, it's not so easy. Put this inside and put this little pillow inside, but previously you have to obviously put your necklace or whatever you just bought. So I just bought the diamond necklace, that's size small. I think that's size extra small, fair to small. This one is actually very nice, not too small, not too tiny, not too big, and the bigger size it was too big, so I wanted to stack it with my VCA necklace, which is the Sweet Alhambra in carnelian, the carnelian stone. So okay, but you can just double check it on the other video. I'm not very good with this. Okay, so let's put it inside. My god, so bad. Okay, doesn't matter. And you have to assemble also this carton box, which is like super easy. Place this inside, close the box, and that's you done. The only thing you have to do is pack everything along with a copy of the receipt. So you either have to do the picture or scan it or do whatever, but you need to attach the copy of the receipt or proof of purchase into the parcel, and that's it. That's you done. And you have to wait whatever it's gonna take to get it back and to be extended. And the other thing is that, just give me a second, because with the, I just actually have to unpack it again. With my Van Cleef & Arpels necklace, the pendant it's moving, so it's not attached to the chain. So as you can see in here, the diamond is attached to the chain. So I'm just wondering, actually, because I didn't ask how it's gonna be extended. So if they gonna extend only one side of the chain, or it will be, I don't know, 2.5 centimeters in one side and 2.5, so will be other side. So we can just measure just before I'm gonna send it. It's almost 23 centimeters long of this part, as can see in here, and the other side is around 19.5 centimeters long. So I can just also swap it, just if anyone is interested in inches. How does it work? Okay. Oh my god, sorry. So that's gonna be in inches. It's almost 7.5, even more. And the other side, it's like this. Okay. So I'm just gonna back to you with updates once I received them back, and I'm gonna measure it and just see how the extension has been made and how long does it took, you know. So if you also requested any service from either Cartier or VCA, just leave the comment below and share your thoughts. And yeah, make sure to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Take care, bye.